My dear students, welcome to English Fox.
Hello and welcome. Have you ever been lost in a new city and felt too scared to ask for directions in English?
English, please. English.
English, please.
You're not alone, and we are going to solve that right now. By the end of this short lesson, you will learn the exact phrases to ask for and understand directions so you can navigate any city with total confidence. Let's begin.
Excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Could you help me?
Of course. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the city museum.
Ah, you're quite close. Go straight down this street for 2 blocks.
Okay. Straight for 2 blocks?
Yes, then take a left at the big intersection. You'll see a large bank on the corner.
So go straight, then a left at the bank.
Exactly. After you turn left, the museum will be on your right. You can't miss it.
Got it. Thank you so much. You've been a great help.
No problem at all. Enjoy the museum.
Great listening. Now let's unlock the key phrases to make you a confident navigator. Could you help me? This is a very polite and universal way to get someone's attention and ask for assistance. It's much softer than saying, "Help me." Example: Excuse me, this machine isn't working. Could you help me?
Leonard, would you help me for a minute? Could you help me with this, please?
Could you help me find her?
Go straight down this street. This is a fundamental direction. It means to continue walking in the same direction on the current street without turning. Example: To get to the post office, just go straight down this street for about 5 minutes.
Just go straight down this road and then you veer left.
Just go straight down this road.
Go straight down Broadway, and then I'll explain as we go.
Take a left or take a right. This is the most common way to say turn left or turn right. It sounds very natural. Example: Walk to the corner and then take a right at the traffic lights.
So I just go down this street and then I take a right.
Take a left, keep walking to the water.
You can't miss it. This is a friendly and reassuring phrase. It means the place you are looking for is very easy to see or find. Example: The bus stop is a big, bright blue shelter. You can't miss it.
If you go back to the elevator and make a right, you can't miss it.
You can't miss it.
Time to train your brain. Answer the questions out loud after the pause.
Excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Could you help me?
Question 1. What polite phrase does Liam use to start the conversation? He says, "Excuse me, could you help me?" This is a very polite way to ask someone for assistance.
Ah, you're quite close. Go straight down this street for 2 blocks.
Okay.
Question 2. What is the first direction Emma gives him? The first direction is go straight down this street. This tells him to continue walking forward without turning.
Exactly. After you turn left, the museum will be on your right. You can't miss it.
Question 3. What does Emma say to make Liam feel confident that he will find the museum? She says, "You can't miss it." This means it will be very easy for him to see. Fantastic! Now for the most important part, speaking. First, we will do a duet with Emma. This means you will hear Emma's voice, and you will be our tourist, Liam. We have muted Liam's voice, so when you see his lines on the screen, say them out loud. Ready? Let's begin.
Of course. Where are you trying to go? Ah, you're quite close. Go straight down this street for 2 blocks. Yes, then take a left at the big intersection. You'll see a large bank on the corner. Exactly. After you turn left, the museum will be on your right. You can't miss it. No problem at all. Enjoy the museum.
Excellent speaking. Now let's switch roles. It's time for our duet with Liam. This time, you will hear Liam speak, and you will be the helpful local Emma. Her voice is now silent, so say her lines when they appear.
Excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Could you help me? I'm looking for the city museum. Okay, straight for 2 blocks? So go straight, then a left at the bank. Got it. Thank you so much. You've been a great help.
And there you have it. Amazing work. You just practiced a complete real-world conversation for asking for and giving directions. Remember the key phrases. Could you help me? Go straight, take a left, and you can't miss it. You are now ready to navigate the world in English. The key to fluency is practice. Watch this video again tomorrow to make these phrases a permanent part of your English vocabulary. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you will achieve all of your English goals. Be sure to like and subscribe for more English lessons just like this one. See you next time.